Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang. We're here to talk about how to multiply two negative square roots. Now, the one thing you want to keep in mind whenever you're multiplying two negative terms, period, is that you'll have a positive term. So when you multiply two negative square roots, you're going to have a positive square root term. So let's just do a couple of examples and you'll see how this works. Now, if you have, for example, negative 2 square root of 3 times negative square root of 2, for example, 3 times square root of 2. Now, all you have to do there is, since you know they're both underneath the radical, you write the square root symbol, and then you multiply 3 times 2, which is going to give you 6. Now, sometimes you can simplify the number underneath, but square root of 6 is not really reducible, so you're left with 2 square root of 6. Now, another illustration really quickly, if you have negative 3 square root of 5 times 7 square root of 11, negative 7 square root of 11, what you do is you multiply the numbers on the outside first, negative 3 times negative 7, which is 21, and then multiply the numbers on the inside, 5 times 11, which is going to give you 55, and then see if it's possible to reduce the square root anymore. Some square roots can, some square roots can't. It all depends on what the radical is. But in this case, 55 is as good as it gets, so the final result is 21 square root of 55. So the bottom line is when you multiply two negative square roots together, multiply the exterior terms, and then you multiply the interior terms, and you'll be good to go. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and there's a couple of ways to multiply two negative square roots.